Hello friends, today's video about types of triangles. So first triangle, let's say equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, we have all three sides are equal length, okay? And that symbols like this. If all three sides has the same symbol on it, it means it has the same length. So first property of the equilateral triangle is all sides are same length. Okay. Now second property, if all sides are same, then angle also same. And as we know, triangle, all three angle sums of triangle is a 180. So 180 degree of three triangle, and all three are same means divide by 3, which is a 60 degree. So if it is an equilateral triangle, then each angle measurement is a 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. So all three angles are 60 degree. Okay. Now next angle property, equilateral triangles next property is a line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means if you try to cut this triangle and both piece of that triangle after cutting, if they are same size, that is called the line of symmetry. So if you cut from this angle, then yes, both pieces are same size or same pieces. If you go in this angle, also it is a symmetrical line, and this line also symmetry line. So equilateral triangle has a 3 lines of symmetry. So 3 lines of symmetry. And one more property for the equilateral triangle is a rotational symmetry. What does mean the rotational symmetry? When we rotate this triangle, let's say we start from here. Okay, our starting point is here, and if I start rotating this triangle, then each time, okay, I rotate from the center, and on the way when I start rotating, and meanwhile it's come back to the starting point, until then if it is how many times it looks like that triangle is like a same position, what is the beginning position, that is called the rotational symmetry. So if it is an equilateral triangle, then it has a rotational symmetry of order 3. Okay, so rotational symmetry of order 3. Okay, because it looks like 3 times. Meanwhile, it finished one round, complete round. 3 times it looks like, okay, it is in its real position. What is the starting position? Okay, let's see the next triangle. It is a isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, we have a two side has a same length, but that doesn't mean only this which two sides symboling that two sides always same length. It could be any two sides. Okay, so any two sides has the same length, and it we call the isosceles triangle. So any two sides are same length. Okay, that is the first property for the isosceles triangle. Second, if two sides length is the same, then two angles also same, but that particular angle, if this and this sides we says the same, then opposite angle, always side length affect the opposite angle. So this angle and this angle, both angle going to be a same length. Or you could say the angle which formed by the side which two has the same length, that angle is not a same, that is a different size of the angle, and rest of two angle has the same size. Okay, so two angles are same size. Okay. Next property. How many line of symmetry? It has a one line of symmetry only from here. If you start from the angle which is not the same size, different size, that is, you have to draw the symmetry line from that line. Okay. And that is the, it has only one line of symmetry. So, one line of symmetry. Okay. See, remember that there is no any triangle who has two line of symmetry. Equilateral triangle has a three line of symmetry. Isosceles triangle has a one line of symmetry. Okay. There is no any triangle who has two line of symmetry. Okay. That is not possible. It is impossible. Okay. How many rotational symmetry order? 0. So, no rotational symmetry. No rotational symmetry. Okay. Okay. So, these all four properties for the isosceles triangle. Let's move on for the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, that is the big thing, is a, it has a one angle is a right angle. This is the right angle. Right angle. And it shows by like this square. Okay. This angle is a right angle, and right angle is a 90-degree angle, as I hope you know all. So, one angle is 90 degree. Okay. That is the one property for the right angle triangle. Okay. The right angle triangle has no line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry. Okay. No line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry. No rotational symmetry. Okay. But if this right angle triangle is a isosceles, it means any, these two sides, not any. Okay. This hypotenuse is not possible. These two sides, if they have a same length, and that is possible. So, if a right angle triangle is an isosceles triangle, right angled triangle is isosceles triangle, then it has one line of symmetry. Symmetry. And it is from here. This is, if you cut it from here, exactly from the right angle, then we get the equal two parts. Okay. Let's see the last triangle, scalene triangle. In a scalene triangle, no same size, no same angle. So, we can say the all angles are different. Let me start with the side. No, all sides are different. All angles, all three angles are different, and no line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry. No line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry. Sorry. Rotational symmetry. Okay, here I forget one topic, that in a right angle triangle has, yeah, I wrote here. no rotational symmetry, right? So this is all about the triangles properties. I hope you understand. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. And if you want to learn any particular topic, please comment below. Thank you for watching.